Living in Austin, Texas, means embracing the vibrant culture, beautiful scenery, and unique lifestyle the city has to offer. However, like any thriving urban area, clutter and junk can quickly accumulate, whether from home renovations, seasonal cleaning, or general everyday living. If you're faced with piles of unwanted items or debris, you may be wondering how to efficiently get rid of it all. This is where hiring a professional junk removal service in Austin comes in. While it may seem like a straightforward task, junk removal can be a complicated and time-consuming process. Here are the top benefits of letting the experts handle your clutter. Time saving. One of the most significant advantages of hiring a professional junk removal service is the time it saves you. Cleaning up junk often involves heavy lifting, sorting through items, and figuring out what to do with everything. By enlisting a team of experts, you can free up valuable hours and focus on what matters most to you. Whether that's enjoying the live music scene, exploring the outdoors, or simply relaxing at home. Professionals can efficiently sort, load, and dispose of your junk in a fraction of the time it would take you on your own. Safety and efficiency. Removing junk isn't as simple as tossing items in the trash. Some items may be bulky, hazardous, or even require special handling. From old furniture and appliances to construction debris, dealing with these items can pose health and safety risks. Professional junk removal services have the necessary tools, equipment, and expertise to handle all types of junk safely. They know how to properly lift heavy items, deal with sharp objects, and safely transport hazardous materials. Hiring professionals ensures that the job is done without unnecessary risk to your health or safety. Eco-friendly disposal. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability, and a reputable junk removal service in the city will follow eco-friendly disposal practices. Professional junk removal companies typically sort through the items they collect, recycling and donating items that can be repurposed rather than just sending everything to a landfill. By working with these services, you can feel good about reducing your environmental impact and supporting sustainable waste disposal practices. Many items, like old furniture or electronics, can be refurbished or reused, and a professional service will ensure that they're handled responsibly. Clutter-free space. Whether you're decluttering your home, cleaning up after a renovation, or preparing for a move, junk removal helps create a more organized and spacious environment. A clutter-free space can make your home feel more inviting and functional, and can even improve your mental well-being. You'll be amazed at how much better your living space feels when it's free from unwanted items and junk. Professionals can quickly clear out large volumes of clutter, making your space more livable and comfortable in no time. Cost-effective. While it might seem like a DIY junk removal project is cheaper, it can quickly become costly when you factor in things like renting a truck, purchasing the necessary equipment, and taking multiple trips to the landfill or recycling centers. A professional junk removal service typically offers all-inclusive pricing that includes transportation, labor, and disposal, often at a more competitive rate than doing it yourself. Plus, You avoid the hassle of managing the entire process on your own. Peace of mind. Finally, hiring a professional junk removal service provides you with peace of mind. You won't have to worry about whether or not you're following local regulations or making the right disposal choices. You can rest assured that your junk will be removed quickly, efficiently, and responsibly by experts who handle these types of jobs every day. In conclusion, hiring a professional junk removal service in Austin provides a range of benefits, from saving time and ensuring safety to supporting eco-friendly practices and enhancing your living space. If you're ready to reclaim your home or office from unwanted clutter, consider reaching out to a trusted local junk removal company. They can help you make your space more functional, sustainable, and stress-free, allowing you to enjoy everything that Austin has to offer.